Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. Are you wondering if your investments are balanced? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to review your portfolio allocations and exposure on Empower. Now, the first step is to go to investments. So from the main dashboard, you're going to click investing and then go to holdings. Next is the review allocation chart. So here you're going to see a breakdown of your portfolio by asset class, stocks, bonds, cash, and the alternatives. Next step is to check sector and geographic exposure. So you're going to scroll down for sector allocations and geographic distributions to see exactly where your money is concentrated. Next is to compare to target. Now, if you have a target allocation, you're going to compare it here to spot any imbalances. And of course, the final step is to adjust if needed. So rebalance your portfolio in your brokerage account if the exposure doesn't match your goals. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.